Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In this video I'm going to share with you one update about one old airdrop which is a very legit and big airdrop, and that update is very necessary for you if you join that airdrop. And also I'm going to share with you information about some other airdrops which you can join right now to earn a huge amount of money for free. So let's move on to our Telegram channel. Open the Telegram app and let's move on to our Telegram channel, Hidden Airdrop Finder. If you didn't join our Telegram channel yet, then please join this channel. I have provided the link of this channel in the description, so from there you must join this Telegram channel. And because I provide every day the daily all the airdrops, all the best airdrops over here which make you earn huge, so please must join my Telegram channel right now. So first airdrop is XPLL airdrop. It's a really a very big project and it's a legit project, I think. Please don't miss this airdrop. So let's just click on this link, bot, XPLL airdrop bot. It's a bit slow because a lot of traffic is going on with this, going through with this airdrop bot. So let's join it. Just have patience and join every task, complete every task and join this airdrop successfully so that you won't miss a good earning. So firstly you need to click on start here, start button. Then you need to enter the captcha which is given over this picture. Then you just need to scroll down and you just need to click on complete task like this. You need to join the Telegram group. Click on group, join this, then click on channel, then join this. Click on channel and then click on join, and then go back and then click on Twitter. Now you just need to click on Twitter and follow the Twitter account. So let's just open this on Twitter. Now you just need to click on follow. I'm already following it, that's why it's showing like this. Just scroll down and in the first post you need to click on like and click on this button and then click on retweet button. After you click on retweet button, you just need to go back to here. Then you just need to click on follow on Medium, then just click on Medium and then just follow this. Open your Medium account. If you didn't have one Medium account, then please make one, because it's a really very mandatory task which you just need to complete in order to get this airdrop. So click on this follow button. I'm already following it, that's why it's showing like following. It will be shown something like follow. So just click on follow button and then you will be following. You just go back to the bot. You just need to click on YouTube, open it, and after you open it you just need to click on subscribe of this YouTube channel. Just you need to subscribe this YouTube channel. After you click on subscribe, just need to click on the first video. After you open the first video, you just need to click here and just comment anything about this project, anything good about this project. Like this, I have commented like this. Just need to click here and then comment anything very positive about this project and click on submit. After you submit the comment, just need to close this and go back to the Telegram bot. Now you can just join this Telegram advertiser Telegram channel. Click on join here. After join, just go back, click on advertiser Twitter, open this on Twitter, click on follow. I'm already following it. Just scroll down and this is our airdrop. Just click on like and just retweet. Click on this and then click on retweet of this airdrop post. After you do that, just go back to the airdrop bot. Now you just need to click on submit details. Just need to click on done. After you have done all the tasks, you need to submit your Twitter profile link, which you can just copy this, then paste it over here, and just need to clear all this, your username, and then enter your Telegram username in place of here. So just need to paste this and submit this link over here. Then you just need to it will ask you for your Medium username. You need to submit your either your Medium profile link or your username. Just paste it over here. Then just need to subscribe to YouTube. After you have done all these tasks, you just need to go to your YouTube. Just open your YouTube channel with which you have subscribed on any browser. After you open your YouTube channel on any browser, like this, I have opened my YouTube channel here with which I have subscribed this and done this YouTube task, YouTube subscribe task. So you just need to click on your top right corner. Then you just need to click on top right corner. Actually I'm switching account because I didn't subscribe. Actually this is my account with which I have subscribed, Earn and Learn. This is my YouTube channel with which I have subscribed their project YouTube channel, airdrop YouTube channel. So just click on this button, top right corner button. You need to click on then your channel. After you click on your channel, it will show something like this. Then you just need to click on this above URL, click on copy this URL and then paste it over here. Then you just need, it will ask you for this. If you have joined, then click done. After you just done this, then again click on yes, and then you just need to submit your ETH ERC20 wallet address. You just need to submit this address from Trust Wallet. So Now you just need to open your Trust Wallet right now. So I'm opening it. I'm opening my Trust Wallet. After you open your Trust Wallet, you just need to scroll down and search for ETH or Ethereum. This is Ethereum. You just need to click on this. Click on copy. After you have the copied the address starting from 0x, then you just need to paste it and submit it over here. Then it will show something like this. Then it will show some more options. Then you just need to click on statistics, and you can check your balance. If you want, you can refer by just copying your referral link and then sharing it with your friends or with everyone. So this is all about first airdrop. Then this is the second airdrop. Second airdrop seems very legit and very big project. It's a good potential airdrop. It's fine swap airdrop. It's also a good airdrop, so must join this airdrop. Click on this airdrop bot. It's a very simple airdrop. So you just need to do all the tasks like join the Telegram group, join the Telegram channel, then follow that Twitter account, and also retweet the pinned post which I have shown you before in before airdrops how to do retweet there. That after you do this all, you just need to submit your Ethereum address from Trust Wallet which we just copied recently, and then paste it over here. Just need to paste all, submit all the details, your Twitter username, your Telegram username, and your Ethereum address you need to submit, and then you will see something like this. If you want to refresh and see your balance, then you just need to click on refresh, and then you can check your balance. So I hope you have also joined this airdrop. Please join this airdrop. And the third airdrop is really very important airdrop. It's a Trust Wallet airdrop which you just need to join. It's a BSW token airdrop, so it's worth $14 to $15 already, and you just need to click on, just copy this link. After you copy this link, click on copy, and then open it on Trust Wallet. After you open it on Trust Wallet, your Trust Wallet will be showing something like this, and you just need to click on DApps. After you click on DApps, you just need to click here and paste it over here, and then just need to click this tick button and submit it. After you open the URL, you just need to click on this button and then open on BSC Smart Chain Network. This you need to click on Smart Chain. After you click on Smart Chain, you just need to click on Connect Wallet. Here it will show something like option like is Connect Wallet. You need to click on Connect Wallet, and then you just need to click on MetaMask, or you can just connect it with your MetaMask directly, MetaMask app directly, or just need to click on MetaMask and it will be connected successfully. Then just need to scroll down. After okay, then you just will be shown page like this. After you connect your MetaMask wallet with this, just need to click on top left three bars. After you click on top left three bars, you need to click on this free BSW option. After you do this, you just need to scroll down, and it will show something like this. I have in this BSW balance like this 0.1 BSW. So you will get 0.1 BSW because it's already filled all the pool right now, and you just need to click on harvest in order to claim your balance. Just click on harvest, then just need to join this all these Twitter as well as Telegram. Just click on, then, or you can just leave it, or you can also join this. Then click on this I'm not a robot and verify that. I'm verifying it. Click on verify. After you click on verify, you just need to click on harvest and click on OK. Click on OK then, and after you have done this, okay, we have successfully claimed it. So now it is showing like 0.2 BSW balance. So this is the third airdrop. Actually this airdrop you just need to click claim every 30 minutes this airdrop. So you just need to click you just need to claim your BSW tokens every 30 minutes. So every 30 minutes you will be able to claim your BSW tokens by clicking on the harvest button. So this was all about the third airdrop, which is a very important airdrop as it can give you huge earnings. So please don't miss this airdrop. So friends, you can just receive free BSW every 30 minutes. So you just need to click on with harvest after it has completely filled this pool, and you can claim every 30 minutes your free BSW tokens. You can just get maximum daily profit of 5 BSW tokens. You can claim daily maximum of 5 BSW tokens, and just need to click on harvest in order to claim your BSW tokens every 30 minutes. And just need to scroll down. If you want, you can also refer, or you can just skip referring, just earn for free. If you want you can more earnings, then you can also just click on copy this link and just share it with your friends, and if they just join this, you will receive 10% of their earnings. So friends, that's all about this third airdrop as well. And I just need to show you one update about our old airdrop, Solanium airdrop. So this was our Solanium airdrop. Let's just click on this. I will show you. This was the Solanium airdrop. I hope you have joined this airdrop, as I have already made one video regarding this airdrop, and I have already told you to join this airdrop, as it is a very guaranteed airdrop and it's a really very strong project. So you must not miss this airdrop. I hope you have already joined this airdrop, and it has already closed. So let's just scroll down, and this was the post of my update about this. So Slim tokens has been distribution has been started. So from this time you will be able to get your Slim tokens. You don't need to mint your address. This is just for showing confirmation of so just after you have the address which you used to submit in this Solanium airdrop from solid.io, you just need to open that account only of solid.io, and after you open that account you can see your Slim tokens earned. So friends, I hope you like this video. Please like, share and subscribe. Also please don't miss to join my Telegram channel, Hidden Airdrop Finder. Thank you.